Hi guys, this is Darko and this is my review of Samsung Series 7 from 2018. This is model NU7172 and in this video I will go through design, remote, smart TV, picture and sound quality, gaming, and at the end give you my opinion about this TV, whether or not it's worth your time and money and if there are some worthy alternatives. What is interesting this year is that Series 7 from Samsung is actually replacing Series 6 from 2017. And since they're similarly priced, I'm sure that many people will think, well, why shouldn't I simply get Series 7 from 2018? I mean, it's a newer model, it's a higher series number, it should be better, right? Well, that's the point of this review. I will give you my results and then you decide whether or not it's better to get this one or 2017 model. Samsung went with 360 design on this model. What that means is that TV has pleasant lines and is appealing not only from the front but also from the back thanks to this textured plastic backplate. Everything is made of plastic, so dark gray bezel, dark gray stand, and this stand actually cannot be adjusted, so this pitch that you can see here, this is what you get. Alternative is to hang this TV on the wall. There are standard VESA mount holes at the back, so we can also consider that option. Believe it or not, Samsung is supplying this remote. And this is remote I usually see on their entry-level models, and after 2017 update with new remote with built-in microphone, I expected that Samsung would supply the same one this year. However, you still get this really simple one with many functions, but it's crowded and it's not optimized for video on demand apps and for voice control. So definitely a step down from 2017. Now coming to Tizen 4.0, in this version there is nothing new to report. Even though when you will first install this TV, you will get the option to install and to do initial setup with SmartThings app on your smartphone. Unfortunately, the app didn't recognize this model of the TV, only higher end ones, and I was not able to finish the installation with it. However, you can always finish the installation and it's really a couple of steps with this standard remote. On the other hand, SmartThings app did allow me to control the TV and this works just like on other apps that Samsung introduced. Too bad that Samsung is all the time changing their apps and really not staying true and optimizing and giving updates, especially to old versions. The alignment and the layout is the same. You still get this bar with two rows. On the first one you can put your favorite apps, inputs and so on. And in this upper row for different apps you get recommendations and ability to jump straight into certain video and continue watching, which is a cool way, but it's really nothing new, especially considering that this is Tizen 4.0. I really expected some improvements, but at the end, in terms of stability, speed, everything is the same as in 2017. In terms of connections, at the back side you will get 3 HDMIs, all of them supporting UHD HDR. You will get 2 USBs, so you can play videos, music and watch pictures from a USB, for example. And there are also analog inputs. Unfortunately, regarding analog outputs, there is no 3.5mm audio out. So, for example, if you have nice headphones, wired ones, you cannot connect them to the TV. But one would say, okay, but Samsung probably implemented Bluetooth. Unfortunately, no. In a way to cut costs, they also removed Bluetooth connectivity from this model, so you cannot connect external speakers or wireless headphones. If you want Bluetooth connectivity, then you should check NU7400 and higher models. Coming to the most exciting segment, which is picture quality. So this TV supports SDR content, but also HDR. And in HDR segment, it supports HDR10, HLG, and HDR10+. And I was really excited to see if there are some improvements compared to mainstream 2017 models. Unfortunately, there is nothing new, and some things were even decreased, so performance for HDR is even lower than what I saw on Samsung Series 6 last year. To be more precise, this 49-inch version that I reviewed has lower peak luminance, has lower contrast, and only covers BT709, so standard color gamut. No wide colors, deep colors, nothing on this unit. Unfortunately, I think this is also because Samsung had to cut costs to be at the same level as Series 6. And for those who want to enjoy HDR content, they should, at least from Samsung, look at more expensive models, NU8000 series, or ideally QLED line with quantum dots. In terms of video on demand apps that support HDR, so I was able to get HDR10 Plus out of Amazon Prime Video app, from Netflix HDR10, and same goes for YouTube. In terms of upscaling, in terms of cadence detection and noise reduction, everything is at the same level as 2017 models. Coming to gaming, this is the area where Samsung kept same level of performance as 2017 models. Even input lag is a bit lower in PC mode, so I measured lowest input lag of 14.9 milliseconds in PC mode and around 21 milliseconds in game mode. There are no many options to calibrate picture, and by default it is too blue in those modes, but you can quickly adjust it using color temperature control. And overall you get this high contrast that VA panels usually give, and colors which are aligned with this sRGB/BT709 specification. Sound quality is at the same level as 2017 models, so 2 down-firing speakers, okay for watching live TV, news and so on, talk shows, but for enjoying movies, TV shows and so on in really high quality with great bass and great soundstage, I recommend external audio system, AV receiver and so on. There are ways to connect it, as I said, HDMI and Toslink connectivity. So these are definitely good advices how to improve and get better overall audio-video experience. There is a built-in media player supporting video, audio and photo files, and you can play them via USB or via network. In this example, I'm on my server, so I can open any video file, for example. And in general, their media player is good. It supports subtitles, it supports even UHD HDR content. But one thing that Samsung removed this year is DTS support. DTS is audio format, and I will now play this video just to show you. So you get this message, the audio data is not supported. So this is again one reason why, in a way to cut cost, they had to simply remove some features that maybe most users won't notice. But if you have a large collection of videos and you want to play them, unfortunately you won't be able to decode this audio signal, not through built-in speakers or if you bitstream audio to the receiver. So guys, it's time to conclude this review. For me, definitely there are no advantages of this new Series 7 compared to Series 6 from 2017 from Samsung. And just to give you some price indications, so Amazon UK, 49-inch version, NU6400, which is 2017 model, 434 pounds, NU7172, 499 pounds, and NU7000 series, also from 2017, 539 pounds. So for me, there are really no advantages of this new model. I would rather get NU6400 series. Just to give you quick improvements old model has compared to this one. So NU6400 series has metal bezel, has built-in Bluetooth, has brighter picture and higher contrast, has DTS support, supports wider color gamut, and has more elegant, modern remote with built-in microphone. So this is the end of this review. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, comments, doubts, let me know in the comments section, and I'll see you soon in some other video. Bye!